In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register with Capital One for autopay and due date changes. We'll start by going to the official Capital One website. Once the homepage loads, click Sign In. If you already have online access, you can simply sign in with your username and password and complete any security verification if prompted. If you haven't registered yet, choose the option to set up online access instead. During registration, enter the requested account or card information, then create your username and password. After that, complete any identity verification steps required to finish setting up your online account. Once your account is ready, sign in and continue to the main account dashboard. From the dashboard, select the credit card you want to manage. This is important if you have more than one account because you want to make sure you're updating the correct card. After opening the card details, look for the payment area. Depending on what version of the site you see, this may appear as Make a Payment, Payments, or Auto Pay. Next, choose Set Up Auto Pay. You'll be asked to select the bank account that Capital One should use for automatic withdrawals. Then choose the payment amount that works best for you. Your options may include the minimum payment, the full statement balance, or a fixed payment amount. Take a moment here to choose carefully, since each option affects how much will be paid automatically each month. After that, select the auto pay date that's available to you. Capital One allows you to choose a payment date on or before your due date, so pick a date that fits your budget and helps you stay organized. Once you've made your selections, review everything closely, including the bank account, payment amount, and payment date. If everything looks correct, accept the terms and confirm enrollment to finish setting up autopay. To change your credit card due date, return to your credit card account and look for the Change Due Date option under the Payment or Account settings. Select an available new due date, review the change, and submit your request. Keep in mind that eligible cardholders can usually make this change, but the update may not apply to the current billing cycle. Capital One notes that a new due date can take about 4 to 6 weeks to take effect. Until the change becomes active, continue making payments based on the due date shown on your current statements. Finally, go back to the payment section and verify your settings. Confirm that autopay is active, check the selected payment amount and scheduled date, and then confirm the new due date once it appears on your account or statement. That's it. Your payment settings should now be set up and ready to help you stay on track.